Ethereum is actively testing structure resistance at $1,928. At the same time, just a few days ago, we got a sell signal. We're seeing price versus while money flow high and trend exhaustion high. And as you know, all three of these will typically combine to see crazy moves back down. But not all hope is lost. In this video, I'm going to show you why we could also see moves up and how you can make money either way. With that, let's jump into the video. Before we check out the charts, we have a little bit of an announcement here. The next Inner Circle live Zoom hangout is this Thursday, June 29th at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We'll talk about where crypto is headed and open the call up for questions and answers session with the community. Make sure you are upgraded to the full access membership to join. You can grab that at the links in the description down below, but for now, let's jump into the charts. Welcome to the TradeConfident.io website. You're going to see a little bit of sprucing up here, new background and all that. We're currently 37 wins, 0 losses, and for now, let's take a look at the Ethereum metrics. First metric right here is the Ethereum Emotional Index. Just as a heads up, if you hit this drop-down menu right here, it'll show you exactly how to read this metric. So if you have a membership, be sure to check that out if you need any help. Right now, the Ethereum Emotional Index is reading excited, just as we barely touched into greedy territory. Most often, a greedy or excited will result in moves down in price, just like we saw back here with that continued move down. This tells me that we are more likely to see moves down, especially as we move on to look at the Ethereum volatility breakout detector. We're seeing about mid-range volatility right here, not really high, not really low. This is pretty typical as we see distribution at the top right here. Most often after moves up like this, you will see sideways movement as traders decide whether or not they want to enter into the market. As this happens, we're likely to see this metric go into low volatility. And most often when we see low volatility like right here, and right here, this is where we're seeing crazy moves up and down in the market. However, in order to determine the direction we're likely to head, we need to check out the Ethereum Whale Smart Money metric. And right now, there is still a lot of short trade sentiment in the market. We did surpass the negative 800 level right here on this candle. Most often, this will result in moves down, but as we're seeing right now, despite short trade sentiment decreasing, we're still moving sideways. This signals to me that short trade sentiment is decreasing, and we could see moves up from there, but it's important to keep in mind short trade sentiment is short trade sentiment, and if whales begin moving money out of the market, this is going to result in a drop in price. Next up, we need to take a look at the Ethereum major support and resistance levels. We are actively testing structure resistance at $1,928 with solid structure support at $1,785. If we break our current position, it'll be a move to $2,020, and if we break below this, our next structure support is $1,620. So very solid structure supports and resistances. I'll show that on the live charts just to make it a little clearer. For now, let's move on to the Ethereum long versus short trades. Long trades still continue to slowly trickle in here, which has resulted in moves up in price in Ethereum. Short trades appear to be very slowly trickling out, which also contributes to the uptrend. As long as this continues, I expect the moves up in Ethereum to continue. However, if we see long trades drop out or short trades increase, we're likely to see a pretty quick crash. So pay attention to this. This is going to be one of the most important metrics, only second to the Ethereum daily trade scanner here, where we got a buy signal that called the move up perfectly with a sell signal that seems like it could be about to call the move down. This is very consistent. We see sell signals at the tops, strong sell signals even at the top, with buy signals signaling the next moves up in crypto. So if you want to get access to these winning metrics, our traders are doing amazingly with them. If you want to get access to our trade setups right here, where we are 37 wins, 0 losses. If you want to join us for the Inner Circle live Zoom meeting here, the meeting's coming up again, June 29th, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. That is this Thursday coming up. We hope to see you there. If you want to join us for that, all you got to do is grab a membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more. The membership link will be the very first one. Click that and it'll bring you to the Trade Confident homepage. Go up here to subscribe, fill out the prompts right here, and you're going to want to grab the full access for $59 a month if you want to join us for that live Zoom coaching every single month. Feature forecast videos, morning brew overview, metrics across all 20 coins, scalping trade calls, and many more benefits. Go ahead and click choose, follow the prompts, and we're excited to trade with you soon. Heading into the live charts, I kind of spoiled it for you at the beginning. We got a sell signal with price versus while money flow high and trend exhaustion high. These will typically result in moves down. This is very consistent. Sell signal, price versus while money flow high, trend exhaustion high, move down. Sell signal, price versus while money flow high, trend exhaustion, move down. strong sell. You see, you see the pattern. It happens over and over again. So this is very likely what we're going to see here. We got a sell signal. We got price versus while money flow high. We got trend exhaustion high, and this is already vaguely resulting in moves down. And the first structure support I'm looking at is at $1,785. From there, if we break below this, because this is honestly a lot of bearish sentiment, there is a ton of room to move whale money out of the market. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So as the price versus while money flow drops, we should see the price drop, and I think it's very possible we could drop below this to test structure support again at our previous buy signal at $1,620. No matter what happens though, I'm looking for a very specific combination in anticipation of the next move up, and this is what it's going to look like. As whales begin taking profit and selling out of the market, this line is going to go down, showing whale money is moving out of the market, which will drag the price down. Now, as we approach this structure support, I will be looking for trend exhaustion to be at the very bottom of its chart. Whether that happens at the first structure support at 1,785 or the second one here at 1,620 remains to be seen. But either way, I'm looking for price versus while money flow low, trend exhaustion low here, and from there a buy signal either at this structure support or this structure support. And when we get all three of those signals, that's when we're looking for the next move up in Ethereum. Now, I have to also note we're at a very crucial point right now. In order for the bull market to actually begin, bearish signals need to be invalidated. This means it's very possible if whales decide to flood the market, this sell signal will be invalidated and we'll see a short squeeze. The reason we're seeing sideways movement is because long traders and short traders are equally putting money into the market, causing the price to move sideways. If long trades come in from whales and pushes the price above this, short trades are going to be liquidated, putting much less downward pressure and just forcing the price even higher. This is what's called a short squeeze, and from there, if that happens, we'll be looking at a price move up to about here at $2,020 as we saw in the support and resistance metric. Those are the options that I'm looking at. It's very difficult to tell at this point. From the current price, we're looking at a move down of up to about 14% here or a move up of about 6%. It's tough to tell. I'm personally betting on a move down to at least the first structure support here, and of course we will reevaluate from there. Now, I told you there was a way to win either way, no matter if the price moves up or back down. And now this is not financial advice. I'm not saying this is what we're doing or what you should do. All trades are at your own risk, and I just want to put that out there immediately. With that said, what traders can do to take advantage of this move, either direction here, is take profit right now at about 20%. This can work even if you're not actually in profit, and let me show you why. Let's say we do get this and the price moves back down. You just took profit with 20%, congrats right there, but what you can do from that point, let me erase all this real quickly, is use that 20% to buy back lower and enter into the market for the next move up. Anything that you bought at that point will be in profit. Because you bought at a lower point with the same amount of money, you're actually going to be able to buy more coins than before and at the same time lower your break even. This is going to bring you into profit faster and even more profit potential because you have more coins. So if the price drops, you're essentially going to win. It's just going to take a little bit longer. And if the price moves up, well, then you still have a cool 80% in the market riding for you. Just take profits on that when you're ready. And with that, either way, you're going to crush this market. Now, personally, I recommend you do this using these indicators. Again, we're already at a sell signal with price versus while money flow high, trend exhaustion high. This is where most often it's a good idea to sell out of the market in anticipation of the next move down. Again, not financial advice there. However, we've seen great success. I just showed you how consistent this is multiple times over and over and over again. This is what we're seeing. Same thing here, buy signal price versus while money flow low, trend exhaustion low results in moves up over and over and over again. Because of that, as a trader, you're going to be wanting to watch all three of these indicators. They crush it in Ethereum, Bitcoin, whatever cryptocurrency you're trading. These are incredibly consistently winning for our traders. Right now, you can get them for up to $400 off. And in that pack is actually all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators, not just these three. But these three are my favorite. These three are what I've had the most success with. And with that, if you want to get access, you can grab these indicators at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators are the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page. Now, what you're going to want to do is purchase the bundle pack first. This will include the trend exhaustion, price versus while money flow, 7 other indicators, and a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. Really quickly, I just want to show this. This person made back the cost of the indicators and fee within their first week of being a member using the trend exhaustion and price versus while money flow. This person made $950 in one day, $4,300 in a week, and $2,100 in 3 days. In order to get the best possible deal, just go ahead and click the checkout link for the indicator bundle pack. Click I want this, enter your information, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for just $349 instead of the regular $749. Do not miss this $400 off discount offer. Click add to cart. You get all 11 of Trade Confident indicators for $400 off. Make sure your information is correct, click pay, and you are good to go. One last time, we're either looking for a short squeeze to the upside or just a regular boring old move down in response to indicators calling sell signal, price versus while money flow high, and trend exhaustion high. That's what I'm betting for. Again, this is going to be a pretty big move down around, say, 14% right about here. As this moves down, we're going to be looking for price versus while money flow low, trend exhaustion low, and a buy signal at either of these structure supports. And when we get all three of those, that's when we're looking for the next move up. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.